Speaking of some of your notable live performances, you also were a part of the first episode of India's Got Latent, which went on to get millions of views and a lot of appreciation for you. How was that experience of being a part of something that you absolutely have no clue about what the format is going to be?
Yeah.
We, of course, had some notable judges in the form of Raftaar, Samay, of course, and Balraj Ghai. What was that experience like for you? You were performing with your friend Siddhant, who you've performed a lot with. Shout out to Siddhant Dosari. How was that experience for you? Talk to us about that.
Yeah, so huge shout out to Sid. I saw like this story that Samay.
Were you feeling good about your performance? She of course performed Feeling Good by Michael Bublé.
We went in not knowing the format. I just saw Samay's story. I submitted my video, and I remember speaking to my best friend at that time, and I was like, I might come to Bombay. She stays in Bombay, and I was like,
Shout out to Riya Pasricha.
So I was like, I might come to Bombay tomorrow to perform at the Habitat, which is like super cool, but I'm very like unsure about it. And then at like 10, I was waiting for the call for the next day to go to Bombay, and I was waiting from the team to get a call if I got selected or not. So then I only called, and I was like, can you just let me know if I have to, because I need to plan my travel accordingly. And then she's like, oh yeah, you got selected like a couple of hours ago. And I'm like, oh okay, completely played it cool. And then once the call got cut, I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna get to perform in front of Samay and everything.
Right.
So I was so enthused by the whole idea of like Samay, Habitat, like you want a video with that etch in the background,
That's
right?
correct.
All performers want it, like no matter what art form you do. So I wanted to perform there since a long time. It was on my bucket list for performance venues, and we went there. I was super nervous. The audience, from the first word we sang, I think the song Feeling Good has a lot of power as well.
Right.
So I'm glad we went with that song. From the first word to the last word, the audience was cheering, and you can't hear it in the final mix on YouTube, but live it was like so encouraging. I think the best audience I've seen so far in all the live gigs put together. And then the interaction that happened with Samay.
Oh, you guys were really good. Yeah, I mean, you were really good.
You would say the same about him if he was in a dress too, right?
Oh, no, I'm not flirting. I already have a boyfriend, guys.
People have asked me if it was scripted. I was just like, it firstly was the first episode of the first season. They didn't even know what it's going to become, and it's going to blow up and get millions and millions of views. We just went in, we did our thing. The interaction was like very organic, and they were so kind. They said, give like, mention your Instagram handle and everything. And but it's hilarious that I got to be a part of something because of Samay's pull. It's all because of him, that which